Welcome to Terminology Tutor. Today, we're covering key diabetes terms related to symptoms, treatment, and diagnosis. Let's get started.
Hyperglycemia. High blood sugar levels. Hypoglycemia. Low blood sugar levels. Polyuria. Frequent urination. Polydipsia. Excessive thirst. Polyphagia. Increased hunger. Fatigue. Extreme tiredness.
Blurred vision. Difficulty seeing clearly. Neuropathy. Nerve damage, often in the hands or feet. Ketoacidosis. A serious complication with high levels of ketones in the blood. Slow healing. Cuts and wounds that take longer to heal.
Insulin, a hormone used to regulate blood sugar. Metformin, a medication used to control blood sugar in type 2 diabetes. Glucose meter, a device used to monitor blood sugar levels.
Oral hypoglycemics. Medications taken by mouth to lower blood sugar. Insulin pump. A device that delivers continuous insulin to the body. Continuous glucose monitor, CGM. A device that tracks blood sugar levels in real time. Dietitian. A healthcare professional who advises on diet and nutrition.
Physical activity. Exercise that helps manage blood sugar levels. Blood glucose levels. The concentration of glucose in the blood, measured in milligrams per deciliter. Fasting blood sugar. Blood sugar levels measured after not eating for 8 hours.
Postprandial blood sugar. Blood sugar levels measured 2 hours after eating.
Glycemic index, a ranking of carbohydrates based on their impact on blood sugar. Bolus insulin, fast-acting insulin taken at mealtimes to manage blood sugar spikes.
Endocrinologist. A doctor specializing in hormone-related diseases, including diabetes. Diabetic retinopathy. Damage to the blood vessels in the retina due to diabetes. Nephropathy. Kidney damage caused by diabetes. Fasting plasma glucose, FPG. A blood test that measures glucose levels after fasting. Oral glucose tolerance test. A test where glucose levels are measured before and after drinking a sugary liquid. Hemoglobin A1C test. A blood test that shows average blood sugar levels over the past 2 to 3 months. Prediabetes. A condition where blood sugar levels are higher than normal but not high enough for a diabetes diagnosis. C-peptide test. A test that measures how much insulin is being produced by the pancreas.
Glycosuria. The presence of glucose in the urine, often a sign of diabetes.
Ketone test, a test that measures the presence of ketones in the blood or urine, used to check for diabetic ketoacidosis.
CRP test. A test to detect inflammation, which can be associated with diabetes and its complications. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to keep learning with Terminology Tutor.